Assalamu alaikum. In the previous video we have discussed how to write a false position method code in Python. In today's video we will discuss how to write a bisection method in Python. So without delaying any time, let's get started. Let's first create a function named bisection, in which we have a one parameter x. Next we have is a return statement. In return you have to put your expression. My expression is x square plus 2x minus 8. Then as per bisection method, we know that we have to get the initial approximation a and b from the user. So here I am taking a as a float value. Enter the value of a. Here I am copying down the same line, just changing the variables. I will tell us about how many iterations we want. Enter the number of iterations. Count is initialized with 0. Basically it is our starting point from where the loop will start. In while loop our count must be less than equals to I. For example, if I give I equals to 3 and as our count is initially 0, so 0 is less than equals to 3, our while loop will work. Then count got increment, it become 1. 1 is less than equals to 3, our while loop will again work. While loop will work until our count is 3, because if our count got 4, 4 is not less than equals to 3. So in that condition our while loop will terminate and it will come outside of the while loop. Then we will calculate C by adding A and B and dividing it by 2. Here I am just assigning my function into a variable named fa. Now copying down the same statement for f of b. Then for f of c. Now what does these three lines of code do? The a I have given here will go in the function I have defined above and replace all the x's with a and calculate the value for f of a. Same will happen for f of b and f of c. Now in the if statement, if f of c times f of b is less than 0, then c will replace a. For example, if f of a is positive, f of b is negative, and f, f of c is negative and f of c is positive. So what will happen? Negative sign will replace positive value and positive value will replace negative value. In the first statement of if, f of c's negative value is replacing positive value of f of a, and in the second statement of if, f of c's positive value is replacing negative value of f of b. Now, as I told in the second statement of if, wait, let me correct this first. F of b, f of c. Yes. In the second statement of if f of c times f of a is less than 0, then c will replace b. Count must be incremented, so count is equals to count plus 1. Then I'm just printing the result, number of iteration, then value of a. Similarly for value of b, value of c, then f of a, then for f of b, then in the last for f of c. In the last we will print our actual result, the actual value of root, the final value of root, which is c. I just noticed I have put a greater than sign instead of less than. Let's run this now. I am giving the value of a1, b4, number of iteration, let's say 3. Here is the final output. You can also verify this by mathematical solution. So this is it for the today's video. I will meet you all guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.